GBPUSD analysis today. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about pound against dollar. So before we start the video, if you are new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, share the video, and below the video you'll find many links. The first one says get my weekly swing setups. Okay, so if you want to get exact setups which I am interested in every week, because there are too many pairs here, as you can see. Okay, so I analyze all these pairs every weekend, and then I see which one is lining up for coming week from Monday onwards. Okay, so if you want the exact numbers, take profit, stop loss, and constant updates during the trade as well, then make sure you check out the first link and get my swing setups monthly membership. And then you can check out the brokers and join my free Telegram. So go and check out these links in your free time. Coming back, starting the top down approach with the weekly time frame. Weekly, looks like we have the ugly head and shoulder forming. Okay, so this was your resistance. This high is never broken. So the GBP USD is same as your USD. Okay, this is your ugly head and shoulder forming. This high is never broken, so we are going into the downtrend, into the reversal now. Okay, this is your new low and then pullback. So again, let's come back. This is a downward move. Delhi is what? Delhi, we have closed below the EMA. Okay, so this candle, last candle here in Delhi, is giving you what do you call this, rejection and closing below the EMI plus longer wick at the upper side. So sellers gain the control towards the end of the day. Okay, 4 hour is what we got. 4 hour is this. I think we have the fuel to go down another 50 pips. In GBP USD we can go down 50 pips. The only question is when. I think instantly. Okay, I think this was your move. Pullback has happened. This red candle could be confirmation. Okay, so this swing is broken. Let me put the line right here. That's it. Okay, so this is this last support swing low is broken by this big bearish candle. Do you understand? Then pullback has happened, and then this confirmation has come. We will go down. That's it. Okay, if you want exact numbers, go and check out my first link below the video. Join the membership. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care.